Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video on my series on the Raspberry Pi. In the previous video I showed you how to connect your Raspberry Pi camera to your Raspberry Pi, and in today's video we're going to have a bit of a play around with that now. So first things first, so when you start up your computer, just make sure that your Raspberry Pi is actually enabled, your camera that is. So go to menu, this is for Raspberry Pi 2, running the Jessie operating system, then go to preferences and then down to Raspberry Pi configuration. When you're in your Raspberry Pi configuration, you need to go to interfaces and then you will see camera, and then you just need to make sure that it is enabled. If it's not, it may ask you to reboot your Raspberry Pi, which you just need to do, but if it's already enabled then it's okay, so we can just say okay. And then you want to go to the terminal. So I'm going to open the terminal, and just to show you that the camera, or to test the camera is actually working, we will use the command raspistill to take a picture. We need the -t function over there, and then you need the time. So I'm going to put in 5 seconds, that is 5,000 milliseconds, and let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to enter that and just see what's going to happen. So there we are. You can see my camera is working. Obviously my camera is upside down, as you can see, and we need to fix that. So let me just go back. If you use the up arrow, you'll get your previous command, and you can change your vertical frame. So I'm just going to put in the vertical frame function, and then I'm going to run it again. So let's have a look. This time I'm the right way around, but if you look at my badge, actually I had a book somewhere, I'll run this command again and I'll show you that although I am the right way up, if I have this book here, it's the wrong way around. Can you see it's a mirror image? So to fix that, we can go back there and just change our horizontal frame so it is like that, and now this should be perfect. So you can read that now, the words are on the right way, and obviously I'm the right way. We haven't taken any pictures at this point, we're just making sure that our camera is set up correctly. So I'm just going to put this book away so that I can, there we go, so that I can carry on. So this is what we have now. It might be that your Raspberry Pi camera is the right way around, but just to make sure, that's sort of things that you can go through. Now to take a picture, you need to add the other part of the command, which is a -o, and you also need to give it a file name. So I'm going to say edujo.jpg, so then I can save it in a file called Edujo, whatever the image is that I'm taking. And also if it means after 5 seconds, the 5,000 mean after 5 seconds it will take a picture. So let's run that, and I'll sort myself out. There's about 2 seconds left, and I'll go hello, and hopefully that image was taken. So let's click on there we go. So there's the Edujo, so that has been taken. So I'm going to right click image viewer, and then theoretically there we go, a nice little picture, and you can see it's high definition, so that's quite cool. So let me just close that, and I'm going to delete that one. Where are we? I can't read. I'll just press delete. Delete. There we go. Do you want to remove? Yes, I want to remove that. There we go. So that has been removed. Let me just close that one now, and I want to actually I'm going to open that just to put it somewhere here in the background, and I'll put this in front. So now you can take a picture. So if you set it all up, let's say you've got a telescope or something like that that you're using it for, you can actually now take images, but maybe you want to do a time-lapse type of image. Then you need to add a few more things to it. So I'm just going to run through my setup because I've got something that there we go, that I tested earlier. So here we go. I'm just going to change this. So you see everything is the same. So I've got 10 seconds, that's 10,000 milliseconds. And then I've got the time-lapse set up here, -TL for time-lapse, and then obviously that one is the time that it's going to run there, and here I've got 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds I'm going to take a picture and you can see I've got my horizontal frame and so on and so on, and then I've got this percentage 04D, and that will make sure that my my images are, the names of my images will follow consecutively, hopefully. So we'll test that now. So we have a few, how many? I think about 5. So let's run this and see what happens. Yep, so let me run it. So here we go. So I'm gonna go like this. Yo, I'm taking pictures. I love Python. And now I'm just looking at you, and now I'm looking to the side, and that's my 5 images hopefully done. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. So there you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I've got 6. Oh, so okay, cool. I've got 6 images. I'm gonna go to my image viewer, and I've got a slideshow here somewhere. So there we go. Let's see how they came out. So yep, there we go. As you can see, it's very good quality images for such a low-priced device. So, and it's just my slideshow going over and over. I'll just stop that slideshow now. So that is what you can do with a time-lapse function. So let me just, I'm going to delete that anyway. So I'm just going to press delete. Yep, I want to delete that. I'm going to close that. So there are the features that I showed you in terms of taking a still image with your Raspberry Pi camera. So please check it out, use it, test it, let me know what you think, and any feedback you're welcome to post it on my YouTube channel, or you can get in contact with Twitter or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please tell your friends about it, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to me on Facebook, sorry, not Facebook, on YouTube, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.